Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this matte pastel rainbow smooshy manicure. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm starting with Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's Smooshy, I'm going to be using the Holo Taco Pastel Don't Tell collection. I'll be doing 3 colors per nail using Pinky Swear, Rest in Peach, Banana Medicine, Crime and Punishmint, Too Good to Be Blue, and Serial Killer. For my base, I'll be using Holo Taco Not Milky White, and once I have that applied, I'm going to be protecting around my nails using liquid latex. Once the latex is dry, I'm going to move on to the Smooshy. For each nail, I'm going to be using 3 different colors, shifting them each nail. Once I have the colors laid out on the stamper, I'm just going to go ahead and smoosh them onto my nail. If you have any drastic pooling, like around the sidewalls or the cuticle, you might want to go in with an orange stick before removing your protection. And then I like to use a tweezer to grab the latex and peel it off. Once I've smooshed all my nails, I'm going to go ahead and clean up using a Q-tip for anything that was outside of the latex and my usual small brush closer up. Once the cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat. As usual, I'm using Sèche Vite, and then once that's dry, I'm also going to top with Holo Taco Matte Taco. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how these turned out. I did receive the Holo Taco Pastel collection as PR, and I think the timing is just perfect for spring in general, or maybe Easter in particular. Especially matte, these are giving me candy vibes, or maybe some kind of decorated egg. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, you can check it out over on my VOD channel. If you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join this channel as a member. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.